Okay, we're doing C, D, E, and F. Let's go ahead and get started. We're following those same steps that we wrote in today's notes. Step 1, rewrite the problem and make space. Bump that 3 over, leaving the space for you to complete the square. Step 2, B work. I'm going to take the middle term, -6, and divide it by 2, divide it in half. That's -3 squared. That gives me 9. So I'm going to be adding 9 to complete the square and minusing 9 to balance. So the whole reason I did that was to get the perfect x minus 3 squared factors. And then at the end, the 3 minus 9 just gives me -6. I now can go get my vertex of 3, -6. Write that down here. How'd you do? Pause this video. Like for real, pause it and go try the other ones and then see how you did. All right, let's see how you did. Step 1, make space. Bump that 7 over. Step 2, go do the B work so that we can see what we're going to be adding and subtracting. Half of 12 is 6. 6 squared is 36. I'm going to add 36 and subtract 36 to balance. What are my factors for that? Those are the x plus 6 squared factors. What is 7 minus 36? Is that 29? Check me on that. Finally, what is my vertex? You got it. How'd you do? If you really didn't pause the video when I said to last time, for real, pause it now and try it. Okay, how'd you do? Step 1, make space. Bump that 12 over. Step 2, B work. -8 over 2 is -4 squared. That gives me 16. I'm going to add the 16 and subtract the 16 to balance. That makes the x minus 4 squared factors and -4 at the end. 12 minus 16 is -4. What's your vertex? You got it. Step 1, make space. B work. Add 25 and subtract 25 to balance. That makes the x minus 5 squared perfect. 8 minus 25 is -17. What's your vertex? You got it. All right, if you did any of those on your own, you are ready for tomorrow's quiz. If you did not do any of those on your own, go do one now. Try it again from scratch.